Hi everyone, Bianca from Integrity Real Estate, here to proudly present 19 Cumberland Avenue. This property is prime real estate positioned on the busy Cumberland Avenue, which is one of the blood veins to the heart of the Flinders Industrial Estate. 650 square metres of unit offers high roller doors, a high roof line, staff amenities and office. You seriously don't need anything else. Come and take a look. Set amongst well-established businesses, you could be looking at your new home or a great investment. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to call me on 0412 103 644.